When you send or receive international payments, your bank often relies on a correspondent bank to connect with foreign banks. The SWIFT code acts like a unique address that ensures funds reach the right place. But sometimes, figuring out the exact correspondent bank SWIFT can be tricky, especially if your bank doesn't have a direct relationship with the foreign bank. Here's how to find a correspondent bank SWIFT step by step. Start by checking with your bank's international transfer team. Most banks maintain a list of their correspondent banking partners. If you don't find it on their website, visit or call your branch and ask specifically for correspondent bank details for currency X. Some banks also mention this information on SWIFT messages like MT103 under field 56 or field 57. So, here are 5 important things you really need to know. First up, field tracking. Always check field 56A in the SWIFT transfer message. This is where intermediary or correspondent bank SWIFT codes are stored. Second, currency-specific correspondence. One correspondent bank SWIFT code may work only for a specific currency. For example, USD and EUR often have different intermediary banks. So, let's talk a bit about bank network limitations. You see, smaller banks might actually rely on multiple correspondent banks. It's a good idea to ask your bank for the exact chain involved to avoid any delays. Alright, that's it for now. So, payment routing websites like swift.com and bank.codes can actually help you identify potential SWIFT codes. But, you must always confirm them with your bank before using, just to be safe. If the wrong correspondent bank SWIFT is used, the payment might bounce back, which can cause extra charges and delays. Always, and I mean always, verify before initiating a transfer. To make the whole process simpler, start by collecting the beneficiary bank details and the currency. Then, ask your bank to confirm whether they have a direct SWIFT link or if an intermediary is required. It's a good idea to cross-check the code on trusted platforms like swift.com. But honestly, you should rely on official confirmation from your bank. By following these steps, you can prevent lost payments, avoid extra fees, and speed up international fund transfers significantly.